And finally, this is the watch itself. This watch you can get it from less than $50. So guys, welcome back to FITVII. Today I'm unboxing the HM57 Smartwatch and it's made by FITVII. Here we finally read a disclaimer about what this product is and on the back some product parameters. Time to open it up and see how it looks like. Once you open, you will find this little card from FITVII. This should be the charger. It doesn't come with a brick where you can connect to the wall, but these are USB, so you should be able to have one with you. Taking a quick look to the manuals, and finally this is the watch itself. This watch you can get it from less than $50. And to be honest, the quality impressed me. The straps is really strong. It doesn't feel like something cheap. It feels like something built very solid. It is plastic, yes, but it feels strong. Let's test the magnet of the charger. Yeah, magnet is really strong. Okay, let's remove this cover and testing the quality of the crystal. It is like a plastic, yes, but it's like a really hard plastic. It doesn't feel like anything cheap at all. On the side we can find the main and the secondary button. Now it's time to turn this guy on and set it up. You will hold the main button for a few seconds, then it will ask you to download the FITVII app, setting up date and time, and scrolling on this one feels very smooth. You can increase or decrease the brightness of the screen. Let's scroll a little bit here and see what we can find, and pretty much you will have all the options that you got in any smartwatch. You can change the settings just to make everything the way you prefer. Testing the vibration. In order to change the face of the watch, you just press and hold, and then you should be able to scroll and choose the face that you like. It has a RoHS and CE compliance. And when I put it on my wrist, it looks very elegant. I mean, it looks nice. It looks like an expensive watch. It doesn't look like something cheap. I don't know, you tell me down in the comment, like if I'm wearing this watch, would you be able to tell the difference between this one and an Apple Watch? Compared with my Samsung Galaxy, you tell me down there which one looks better. Now we're gonna do a quick test to the app. First we're gonna install it, then we're gonna open it up, agree with the terms, sign up here. It will give you some goals for you to meet each day. You will choose the option for connect and bind your watch to your phone. You might see there's an update that must be done, and on the app itself we can see the different measurements that you can take. One of the most common one is blood pressure, and according to this, mine is between the normal range. Now the oxygen level, which is also good. Now I'm gonna try step counting. It's on 35 right now, and after a few steps, let's see what happened. Okay, you wait for a few seconds and it's on 41, which is good. Now let's try making a call. One, two, three. Hello. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3. So even being an under $15 watch, I'm really impressed. The build quality, material, the app itself is really good. In case you like it, I will leave the link down in the description.